Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition, we look at what happens in a car accident. So if someone is injured in a car accident due to negligence of another, let's say they meet with the attorney, they retain the attorney. The attorney then sends a demand letter to the insurance company of the owner of the vehicle. So typically on the accident report, it'll have different codes. We have the insurance companies' names looking at the codes. So the demand letter will say, okay, this is the day of the accident, this is our client, this is some of the injuries, any issues as to liability, and to contact us. After that, the attorney must complete an investigation and open a file. So what is required, any medical bills you have, you provide to the attorney. Any proof of loss of income, lost wages, you provide the attorney. The attorney follows up with the different doctors, obtains copies of bills, medical records, sometimes a medical report. And then that's all submitted to the insurance company in writing with a demand. If the insurance company won't pay enough and the case doesn't settle, then the next step is to proceed to file a complaint. So the complaint is filed in the Superior Court, New Jersey. However, in a car accident case where there's not broken bones, the doctor must sign a what's called a Certificate of Merit under NJSA 39:6A-8.A, that the injuries are permanent injuries that exceed the lawsuit threshold. The complaint is filed in Superior Court, New Jersey Law Division, and also with the case information statement. The insurance company is provided and served with a copy of the complaint. The complaint has to be served upon the driver, has to be served upon the owner of the vehicle. Then the insurance company's attorneys will have to file what's called an answer to the complaint. After the answer is filed, there next is what's called the discovery process, and it's followed by what's called written interrogatories. Those are questions under oath. We serve interrogatory questions on the defendant driver, insurance company, and the owner, if it's a different entity. They serve interrogatories on the plaintiff, on the injured person. The injured person has to answer these interrogatories, which we help them with. Next is depositions, which is a questioning under oath. And if the parties don't settle after the deposition, then it goes to arbitration at the county courthouse. If the case does not settle after the arbitration, then the case goes to a Superior Court jury trial. There's much more information that goes on with a personal injury case, but just to give you some basic facts. For more information, visit website njlaws.com. That's njlaws.com. And for representation, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500.